have created this screen in the previous video. Now, let's quickly add more content to the screen. We hope you have added the pictures we had given links to in the previous text chapter to the resource file. First, let's simply copy these views that are created here along with the relative layout and paste it once. So, if you see now, we get Tony Stark's information a total of 2 times. All we need to do is change this information. First, we need to give it a different picture. Let's select Captain Steve Rogers' picture as the source here. Now, we'll change the ID accordingly. Also, change the text for the name, phone number, and email address. Remember, we also need to change the IDs for all these views. Also, to get the right alignment, we need to change the views of layout underscore below and layout underscore to right of attributes. Make sure you mention the correct IDs when putting the values for these attributes. So, we have successfully created a different profile. Now let's copy any one of these sections again and paste it 4 times. Go ahead and change the picture, IDs, name, phone number, and email address for each of these. We have done it here. You just need to repeat the steps we did above. We hope you will be able to do it yourself. Now, it's time to run the app and see if the scroll works fine. Remember to change the name of the layout in the main activity.kt file before you do so. This is how the app looks on the phone. Pretty neat, huh? And see, the scroll works perfectly. Now, some longer screens may not need a scroll, while smaller screens will need it, right? It all depends on the size of the phone's screen. So, whenever your layout tends to be a little long, it is always advisable to put a scroll view in the layout. That being done, we have successfully created our first single-screen application. Next, we are going to learn how to make the button that we had created earlier functional. Click Next to take a quiz.